Have you ever wondered what lower tier members can see inside your circle community? Will they see everything? Just a few things? Or just some grayed out teasers? The short answer is they will only see what they have access to. When you set up your spaces and apply visibility rules based on plans or tags or group membership, Circle hides everything else. It's not grayed out or visible as locked. It's just completely hidden. So if you've got a premium tier and a free tier and a space is only visible to premium, free users won't even know it exists unless you specifically choose to make it visible but locked, like a teaser. That's up to you. We're here in my online business liftoff community, and I'm going to show you how to set your access permissions for the different tiers. I have a space group here that I've called Quiz Creators. It contains two things. One is my Quiz Creators training for people who want to build a quiz to help them get more leads in their business. It's a high ticket offer, and there's a lot of training content that goes with it. I also have something that I'm working on, a 30-day email course challenge that's being added on as a lower ticket item. And I want the people who come in to be part of this space group. I want them to be able to access the email course challenge. I want them to know about the Quiz Creators training, but I don't want them to be able to access an actual training without paying for it, of course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this. This is the one that I want to set the access permissions to. Then I'm going to go up here to the three dots. I'm going to come down here to customize and click on customize. And then I'm going to scroll down and check that the access permission is set for private. Now that means that people cannot access it unless they've been added to it or they've purchased it. But it means that it's still visible to people who haven't purchased it, who are in that particular space group. They'll be able to see it, but not access it. So once it's been set to private, you want to save changes, and then these people will be able to see this as a grayed out option, but they won't be able to access it. Now, one thing I'm going to just quickly mention, because you might want to know about it, is that if we go back here into customize, if you do set it to private and people can see the grayed out section of it, then people are going to be able to see that it's there. And what you can do is you can actually put a link there that goes to the checkout URL for that particular course. So they can see it, they can't get into it. If they want it, they can buy it, and they can do it straight from that particular space group. So we're going to save changes, even though I haven't changed anything. And then what you can also do, I want to also just point out, is that if for some reason you decide that you want the people in this email course or your own course not even to know that this other course is available, then what you're going to do is you're going to once again highlight the course you want to set the permissions for, go back up here to your three dots, come down here to customize, and then you're going to go down and you're going to actually click on secret. Now, what that means is, unless the person's paid for it or you've specifically added them, nobody's going to know it's there. It's going to be completely invisible to people. So that's one way of setting that up. If you don't want people to know it's there unless they've paid for it or if you added them, then click on secret. If you want them to be able to know it's there, but not to access the content, you're going to click on private. Always make sure you save changes. And then, of course, you can then go ahead and test to make sure that it's working correctly as it should. So you want to try this for yourself? If you haven't already signed up for Circle, I've dropped my affiliate link in the description below. It's a great way to support the channel while you're starting the work of building your own community. And if you're still watching, here's a tip. Think about using locked spaces as a sneak peek. It's a great upsell opportunity for your members who are curious about what else is behind the curtain. And if that was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.